Hello all, welcome back to Audiology with Khwaja. In this video, we'll go through the process of renewing your RCI registration. As usual, before getting into the video, we'll try to clarify few of the doubts. The first doubt is about the eligibility of renewal. To renew RCI registration, you need to have 100 CRE points. This 100 CRE points can be collected by attending webinars, workshops, conferences, or organizing them. The second doubt is when should I apply for the renewal? For example, there may be a candidate whose certificate is getting expired in 4 or 5 months. When should this person apply for renewal? The window for renewal actually opens a month before the date of expiry. You will not be able to apply for renewal 3 or 4 months before the date of expiry. So you have to wait till it is a month due. And it is always advisable to apply in this 1 month period to avoid any penalty over late renewal. The third question is, my RCI registration expired 2 or 3 years before. Am I still eligible to apply for renewal? Yes, you are eligible to apply for renewal, but you will be paying a penalty of 1,500 rupees along with the usual 500 rupee fee for the renewal process. As regards the documents that is required to apply for renewal, the first one is your recent passport size photograph. The second one is a single PDF where all your certificates are merged together. For example, if you have attended 10 CRE programs, you will be having 10 certificates, and these 10 certificates will be combined to make a single PDF. You will be able to upload only one file, one PDF, so you have to merge it all together, and this has to be less than 200 KB. Both your photograph and your PDF will be below 200 KB. Let's get into the video. This is the dashboard of a candidate. We could see that the registration is already expired in 2020, but we are still able to apply with a penalty. So we will get into the online application. Once we get into it, we will be given 3 options, and we will choose the first one, which is renewal of registration. Once we press that, as usual, a new window will open. You have to check if your browser does not restrict opening a new window. Once our new window has opened, it gives us a place to upload a photograph. The first thing which should be noted is that the passport size photograph should only be in the .jpg format. The other formats which are common is PNG, and if we try to upload that, it gave us an error that it is an invalid file and only a JPG file can be uploaded. So in case if your photo is of a different format and you don't know what to do, in our scenario, we opened Microsoft Paint that every laptop has, and we open this specific photograph, and then we pressed save as, and we selected the JPG format, and now we were able to upload it. You could see that the photo is uploaded, and all other details are already available with the RCI is being displayed here. And in case if you would like to change your address, you will be able to do it. When we scroll down, this is where we are going to enter all our details. The first one to be done here is upload your PDF that you have all the certificates merged together, and it is less than 200 KB. Once we have uploaded it is going to give a message that the file upload successfully. And the next one thing that you need to enter is this CRE points. Once you press this, it is going to open up and give a lot of options like what kind of the CRE program did you attend. Is it an annual conference, or is it a CRE program? Is it a seminar? Is it a workshop? So it will be available in the certificate that is provided to you. So select appropriately. So in this place, what you'll be doing is, if you have 10 certificates, you're going to select whichever it is. So based on that, you'll be given points. So once you have selected CRE program offline, which means a regular CRE program conducted in regularly, and it will be of 2 or 3 day program. So when you go into the level, it is giving you an option. What were you? How did you attend it? Did you attend it as a resource person, or did you attend it as a coordinator of the program, or were you just a participant? So you have to select accordingly. If this is a 3 day program and you attended only 2 days, make sure that you select appropriately. In case if this is a 3 day program but you attended only 2 days, it is recommended that you select participant for 2 days only rather than the 3 days, because if your entry and the entry the institute sent to the RCI does not match, it is going to reject it. So if the institute has sent that you were physically present only for 2 days, but you're applying here for 3 days, it is going to be rejected. So please be genuine here. So if you have attended all 3 days, you will be selecting as participant for 3 days. And based on that, you will be given points. Okay. So now we have done all the entry, and we also have selected the WHO 50 points, which we actually got. So 50 points plus all the points added together, we are having a total of 104 points. Now we have 100 plus points, which means we are eligible to apply for renewal. When we scroll down further, we are going to be asked to accept the terms and conditions. We are accepting it. And now here it is showing us that the renewal fee is 500 and the penalty is 1500. We'll accept it and press continue. Once we press continue, it is going to ask us to confirm few of the details. If something that is entered here is wrong, you have to edit it. But the only thing that you were able to edit is just the address. Your email ID, contact number, or other number were uneditable. So once you see that all the details are correct, you will press submit. That will take you to the payment page. Now the payment that we have to do is 500 plus 1000. 500 is 2000. So we will be pressing pay fee. Then it will take us to the payment page, which we have already seen how to make the payment. It is recommended now that we are finding a higher success rate with internet banking than the credit or debit card. So you can make the payment and you will have an acknowledgement copy. You have to keep a copy saved as a PDF for your future reference. Again, it is mentioned that in 30 days, you're going to get your e-certificate. There is no need to send anything physically to the RCI, and you will also won't be getting a physical certificate with this. Thank you.